Yo boys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, so come with me guys. Right. So as you come with me guys. Alright. You might be thinking what the hell is that? And that. Well, look, we got a chair. Oh, you might be thinking, what the heck's that? Well, guys, you got a full-on tent in our backyard. Look, and then I'll do a tent tour, room tour. Let me get into it. So, go underneath it, go like that. Look, guys, it's a full-on 4-man tent, and then you get a better view when you go on my trampoline. So just bring you onto my trampoline now. Some pegs. Oh yeah, them are glow in the dark pegs. Just there, glow in the dark. So I'll pause it just so I can go on my trampoline. Alright, so guys, I'm on my trampoline and look at the view, bruv. Look. I mean, mate, can't beat a good old tent, can ya? So yeah, and I'm going to do a video like when I'm like going into the tent and going to sleep in the tent. So it's bringing you to the entrance of the tent. Take your shoes off when you get inside the tent. So we've got padlock because we needed to lock it. Look, guys. Got code that's currently on 000. No, it's on 088. So I would right. Is it? Hold on, if I get in the door. Right. So this is going to be our room tour. So open. That's the entrance. Yeah, I got in. This is the one that I'm going to be sleeping in.